Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibrations within the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device. And if you are playing for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. After you complete these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which if you wish to turn off vibration on your game, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings page. From this page, tap on the basic option and now you will see the screen shake option. Make sure to turn this off and this will turn off vibration within your game, which causes the screen to shake. If you wish to turn this option back on, you can go back to the settings page and turn this on at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off vibrations from within the Mobile Legends game on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.